Hello guys, it's Kent's vlog here once again. Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode of my vlog, I will be featuring the beautiful man-made waterfalls of Najran, Saudi Arabia. Just feel the cold crystal clear water flowing like a curtain down the falls. This is the beautiful Najran Waterfalls. Najran Waterfalls is located at Shallal Park, considered as one of the most beautiful parks in the city of Najran.
Been grasping all day, losing my touch with reality. Driving all day, searching all night.
The park and its waterfalls attracts a large number of tourists and local citizens, and is located on King Abdulaziz Road in the city of Najran. The park is distinguished by its wonderful location, a beautiful rocky nature, and scenic views that seal the entire city of Najran. You can see guys, the tourists were enjoying the waterfalls as they are taking picture. Afterwards they are dancing with the beat from the sound of water. Others were taking a glance at the picture to be sure that the photo shoot were getting the right angles. Water pours out from the rocks on a cliff, as if curtains of water falling from the wall of rocks. Again it will be pumped up uphills to repeat the process. With your friends and family, you can enjoy a beautiful tour of the waterfall park. Take some pictures, have a delicious meal, play with the children, and breathe the fresh air. The notion of waterfalls making you happy is often viewed as an old wives' tale, but there may be some truth to it given the so-called negative ions pervasive in such environments. Research has found that people with more access to the outdoors are happier than those who spend time in closed indoor spaces. Waterfalls can make you feel serene, as they can produce biochemical reactions linked to helping depression and relieving stress. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified on my future uploaded video. Stay tuned for more videos soon. Thank you and have a nice day.